Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's look at the Nifty and what's happening on it over the last couple of weeks. I've been traveling, so I couldn't make any videos, but we'll get into it right away. Please note that this is for educational purposes. This is not investment advice, and please read the disclaimer in the description box. Please watch this video until the end to know what's actually happening with the Nifty, so you can understand how supports and resistance zones are formed and how important those are to understand where the market's actually flowing. I spoke about these same levels in the past. In my last couple of videos, I've been talking about all of these trends happening since the last couple of months. You can see all of those developments if you've watched my past videos. You can look at this in isolation as well. It'll help you understand what's happening right now. But every single level that's been predicted is absolutely accurately playing out to the T. So please watch this and you'll kind of understand what's happening. Now, with the Nifty, what's happened, it's indicated a top formation. um, so it's indicated formation here, right in this box here at the beginning of September. And what that does is it puts us in a position where we are trying to form a zone here. The zone stays between 25,333.65 and 25,771.65. So 24,771 and 25,333. That's an important zone that's formed on the monthly support and resistances. And this one's going to be very key to the Nifty making or breaking levels further. Now, given how it's playing out, you can see how exactly it plays out. This particular candle here, where my mouse is, the low of that and the close of that, the close of that rather, is 24,795. So 771, it closes just above that, bounces off it, goes up close to 25,333 and then it comes back down. Today it's trading at exactly 24,771 levels. The lowest low we've seen so far, it's about 1215, 1220 right now. The low we've seen so far is 24,769. So it's edging that lower zone there. Now it's important that the Nifty does not close below 24,771, because what's happening in the meantime is during the formation of the top, the Nifty has actually formed a weekly resistance as well on top. So the weekly resistance ranges from 26,277 to 25,230, about 1,000 point range here. This weekly resistance is going to be important for the Nifty to break out any further. Plus also the monthly resistance here is going to be marked in yellow for you, is going to be important for the Nifty to hold this top and make new levels. If the Nifty falls below this, you will see this turning into a major resistance zone. Even if the Nifty breaches 24,771, you will see it bounce off 25,330 and crash back down. That is what the Nifty is doing currently. If it breaks 24,771, that's how it's going to play out. Let's say, for example, the Nifty goes up about 24,333. That's going to be great support. That's going to be a great indication of a tapering top, meaning a tapering formation rather, not a top, a tapering formation that's going to stretch up upwards, meaning that we are going to see a breakout most likely towards the upside. Now that's not yet been signaled. Currently, the Nifty seems like it is moving towards a lower end. It is not good news. So I would be cautious about it. Please be wary of advisors and experts, so-called, telling you to get into the in Nifty right now, buy on dips and stuff like that. It can be a buy on dips if the Nifty indicates so. It is yet to indicate that. Right now, the Nifty is indicating is that it's playing this lower zone. If it bounces off it, yes, there is a good possibility that this might be one of those buy on dips scenarios. Currently, the Nifty is around 24,788. These are the levels to watch. There is a smaller a support zone right under this, which ranges from about 24,461 to 23,985. That's going to also support the Nifty for a little while, giving it this volatile little zone to move around. But if the Nifty breaks below 24,771, like I've repeated a couple of times, please be wary about the trend shifting on the Nifty for a significant amount of time. You will not see those kind of returns. So this is an area of caution. This is not an area to enter or buy on dips for the Nifty especially, unless it shows you a good strong movement above 25,333. So 25,333 is a resistance zone that you need to watch for, so that you're able to make better sense of where the Nifty is headed. If that zone is held, you will definitely see the Nifty headed towards 30,000 and break upwards of 26,300 easily. So That is where the Nifty is currently. Please be cautious about entering the Nifty right now and putting in large investments or trades here. Play the market towards the side which it is indicating you. Currently, it is on a lower edge. So watch for lower levels on the Nifty and see if those hold. And if the higher levels break, you've got a nice breakout there to kind of capitalize on. You would not be profiting from 24,700 onwards, but you might be profiting from 25,300, 25,500 onwards. That should be the aim, not not profiting from 24,700 onwards. Uh, Trying to catch a bottom is like trying to catch a falling knife. It can be extremely dangerous. It can result in a great amount of loss too. I'd advise exercising caution at this stage and looking for different avenues of investments. There are stocks that are still moving up and are indicating turns, reversals from the slight downtrends that they've seen so far. So you're better off moving your money towards instruments that have better returns overall. Um, I hope you liked that video. Please let me know if you'd like to see something else here. And thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.